What is a mutual fund? Well, a mutual fund is a compilation of many different investments all in one vehicle, and it allows you to pool your money together with other investors. So now you can buy partial shares of different stocks, or you can split the ownership of bonds, and now you can invest with as little as just $1 without needing to spend thousands of dollars to buy a single share of each of these different companies. So for example, instead of just buying one stock of Apple or Google, you can buy an S&P 500 mutual fund, which owns 500 of the largest companies in the US, and you can now own partial shares of all that for just as low as $1. So you might own a fraction of a penny of some specific stocks, but it allows you to start investing super easily and getting your money working for you. One of the most famous mutual funds is the S&P 500, and tons of companies offer this within their investment options. For example, Vanguard offers it as VOO, V-O-O, and you can buy partial shares of those companies for just as low as $1 by splitting that cost with all the other investors who are buying into it. If you don't know how stocks or bonds work, make sure to click through these videos here and follow for more finance tips.